Welcome to this seoClarity update covering our new Sia Generative AI capabilities, designed to amplify your own abilities to streamline workflows, automate tasks, and accelerate SEO success. In the next few minutes, you'll learn what Sia, seoClarity's intelligent assistant, is, and what Sia can do for you throughout the platform, and our commitment to use AI for your benefit in the safest, most secure, and ethical way. Our seoClarity Intelligent Assistant, or Sia for short, is a safe and secure ethical application of the technology behind ChatGPT. It's trained on your data and competitive landscape, and that's what makes this truly unique. If you just use ChatGPT out of the box to try to do SEO tasks, you have to remember that ChatGPT is trained on all the information out there on the internet, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Whereas in our application, we keep it strictly fenced in on your data, competitive landscape, our knowledge of everything that's happening in search and SEO to bring together that power to make it effective for you as an effective SEO tool. No data is ever fed outside our super secure platform. Everything happens inside of our structure, so your data is always kept safe and secure. But let's look at what it does for you. Let's start with how Sia can help you in the area of topic and keyword research. Ever wish you could drill deeper when doing keyword research? There's a whole world of information behind every topic and keyword, but you can't get to it. But now, thanks to Sia, that deeper world is revealed. In seoClarity's Topic Explorer, Sia shows you what people search for before and after your target keyword. Here, searchers start by looking for something like places to visit in Chicago. These before searches are great ideas for top of the funnel content. You can capture the intent, the exact desire of the user, and then those users want to go on and they want to broaden their search after that, so they want to find other things to do in Chicago. So Sia shows us that after perusing some content aggregating many things you can do in Chicago, they now focus their search on something more specific, such as Chicago Architecture Tour or Chicago Food Tour. These provide great opportunities to create content further down the funnel, where the searcher may be ready to buy. Well, that's not all. Sia and Topic Explorer can also show you the audience demographics for any keyword, as well as the most closely related topics. Sia helps your writers to construct content that gets the right tone for the right audience on the topics they care about. Now let's look at what Sia can do in your on-page optimization. The title and description Google shows searchers is your best shot to capture their attention and get that coveted click. Google often draws the titles and descriptions it shows in search from the ones you code into your page. So optimizing these to make them better fit search intent and be more engaging can increase CTR and traffic. But coming up with new titles and descriptions is time-consuming and tedious. Sia and seoClarity Page Clarity can create a recommended rewrite of your title or meta description. Sia is trained on your content and prompted with best practices for effective titles and descriptions. Want to see more recommendations? Just click the Regenerate button and Sia will give you more ideas. Now, let's move on to content creation, the area where most of us think about using things like generative AI. According to a survey by the Content Marketing Institute, over 60% of content marketers report being tasked with accomplishing more while having the same or even fewer resources at their disposal. And there's so much competition in search, with the amount of content increasing exponentially year over year. Content Fusion in seoClarity is already super helpful for optimizing content, with a total content score, suggestions for keywords to add, topics to cover, outlines of top-ranking content, and lots more. But what about that dreaded blank page? How do you get started creating content for a new topic that will perform well in search? Sia automatically generates an optimized title and meta description based on your topic, keywords, and the vast storehouse of seoClarity data on what ranks well for this topic. But that's not all. With a click of a button, Sia generates a well-organized outline to get your writer's creative juices flowing. Select any part of the outline, and Sia creates a suggested paragraph for your writers to edit. What's more, you can create unique content profiles designating language, audience, content type, and tone. Select a content profile, and Sia will follow your guidelines as it creates for you. We also bring Sia into play for the hefty task of internal link optimization. For a page to rank in search results, search engines have to be able to discover it and understand how it fits in with the rest of your site. The structure of your site based on internal links is a major hint to search engines about your pages they should be indexing and ranking. But building those internal links is difficult and it's time-consuming, assuming you even know which links to prioritize for maximum effect. You have to identify the linking opportunities, create the links at scale, and then measure the results. Link Optimizer and Clarity Automate, now with Sia, makes the analysis, creation, and measuring of internal linking easier than ever before, even at enterprise scale. Link Optimizer's link analysis engine draws from multiple data sources and uses seoClarity Sia to perform a sophisticated semantic AI analysis, identifying the best opportunities for interlinking your pages. Unlike other linking tools, you're always in control. You have approval over all link destinations and anchor text. What's more, your interactions actually train our algorithm so it gets even better at its recommendations. And you can update your optimizations at any time. And now finally, we put Sia to work for those grueling, mundane, boring tasks that everybody has to do, right, in SEO, but they're so essential to get done. They're hard to do because many of them have to be done at great scale and with care. We all have so many SEO tasks to get done and so little time to do them. Then there are those bulk tasks that we have to do at scale across a lot of data. And all that before we get to any of the deeper SEO work we want to do. We need help. So Sia comes in to make many of your SEO tasks a snap. Sia can automatically provide translations of all or any segment of your keywords from one language to another. Group your keywords into segments just by giving Sia a pattern and the tag you want applied to keywords with that pattern. Or bulk create titles and descriptions for your pages optimized by ChatGPT based on the ranking content for that page's keyword. Those are only a few of the tasks Sia can take on. We'll be adding more all the time as you suggest necessary but tedious work that needs to be done in bulk. Put Sia to work for you today so you have more time for the real work of SEO, the work only you can do.